similar triangles. So today is 23/9/2020. 10 best similar triangles. Now this theorem, that is, if the theorem is what? Prove that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the corresponding sides. Ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the corresponding sides. This is what the theorem is. A ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the area of two corresponding sides, square of the corresponding sides. So what here is this theorem? That is, this is a triangle ABC. Another triangle is also given, that is PQR. So both triangles are similar. This is A, this is B and C. This is P, this is Q and R. These two triangles are similar. What you have to prove? Ratio of the area of two similar triangles. That is, given is what? Given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is given. ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now what do you have to prove? To prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB square upon PQ square, BC square upon QR square, AC square upon PR square. Ratio of this area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. Now, construction you have to draw. Construction. Now, when we talk about area is what? Area of triangle is half base into height. Area of triangle is half base into height. So, what is needed is what? Height you have to draw. In the triangle, you have to draw altitude. This is the height. Now, area of triangle is what? Half base into height. Now that is PS. This is also altitude. So AD, this will be the construction. So construction is what? Draw AD perpendicular to BC and PS perpendicular to QR. Draw AD perpendicular to BC and PS perpendicular to QR. Proof. Now, in the proof, what you have to do? So, first is what you need is area. So, what you will say? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So, area of triangle is what? Half base BC into AD. And again half QR into PS, half and half cancel. So what do we get? Here, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS. First equation. Now what you are seeing here, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR, you are getting now BC upon QR and after that AD upon PS. Now AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR. If AD upon PS equal to BC upon QR, then you will say that your proof can be solved. You will get the whatever you have to prove. But here now what you have to do? Given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, so therefore AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR, and angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R, angle A equal to angle P. So now this will be your second equation. Second equation. Now this is your second. So what you will say? You can say that here. That is this equation as 2. Now in triangle ADB and triangle PSQ, half triangle ADB and PSQ, what you will say, angle B equal to angle Q, given angle ADB equal to angle PSQ equal to 90 degree. So triangle ADB similar to triangle PSQ by a similarity. So therefore AD upon PS, DB upon SQ, AB upon PQ. This is your third equation. Now AD upon PS equal to AB upon PQ and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So from equation 2 and 3, AD upon PS equal to BC upon QR. Now after that, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle PQR equal to BC square upon QR square. Hence, proof. So this is what BC square upon QR square is the last. This is how this theorem will be proved.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what we have to do after equation 3?
Equation 3 is what? AD upon PS. Listen here. This triangle and this triangle. Half triangles are similar. This triangle and this triangle are similar. When two triangles are similar, the sides are in proportion. What you have done here, that is you have to how these half triangles are similar. The triangles are similar by AA similarity. That's why you have written this equation number 3. When two triangles are similar, sides are in proportion. After that, from equation 2 and 3, what you are saying? AD upon PS equal to BC upon QR. So in place of AD upon PS, in equation number 1, you can write BC upon area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle QR equal to area of BC square upon QR square. That is, in place of AD upon PS, if you are adding BC upon QR, you will get here AD upon PS equal to BC upon AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR. Put the value of here with AD upon PS, BC upon QR, multiply, you will get the answer. This theorem is previously it was very important theorem. So this time the CBSE has removed this theorem because one exercise they have detected. So this theorem will not ask in the exam, but I have explained. Now listen here. When two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. I have explained about the median also. I have explained about the altitude also. I have explained about the angle bisector. When two triangles are similar, then sides are in proportion, altitudes are in proportion, angle bisectors are in proportion, and medians are in proportion. That is very important. Now, in case of the this theorem is not in the syllabus this time. Next year it will be there. So go through this. I have explained only this theorem, and this completes the chapter. So from tomorrow onward, whatever we will be doing the revision, or I will talk to Anand sir what he will say.